All right, hey guys, I'm Wilson.
And I'm Kelly.
And we are on the Mewve. All right, so where are we today?
Today we are in Lewis and Clark Caverns State Park.
Yeah, and we're headed up. We're already in the park, and we've gotten our tickets for the Caverns tour.
It's the classic tour.
Yep, classic tour. So I'll have to put a link down below for the prices and everything. But we're headed up. And if I sound a little winded or a little slow talking here, it's because you have to hike 3/4 of a mile.
Up the mountain.
Yep, and it's 300 feet gain in elevation. So you move up pretty quick to get to the entrance of the cave.
So you only have 30 minutes to do it, and if you can't, you don't get to go on the tour.
Yeah, they send you back down, so you got to be ready, right?
Yeah.
So we're looking forward to this historical place. Lewis and Clark actually mapped it out, which is neat. And the scenery, man, it is just, I'm gonna pan right here. It is just unbelievable at what you see behind me. So, middle of the mountains, and we're looking forward to this little tour. Just above the Jefferson River.
Yeah.
You're on your pace?
Yeah, so driving back with me.
Yeah, that's
spread
okay.
up.
We're all on our own pace here.
Yep.
So, man, what beautiful scenery.
Yep, this is awesome.
Yeah. All right, so come check out the cave with us. And this is a state park, so Montana State Park. $8 to get in, but you do have to buy a tour ticket if you want to do the tour. And they're all guided, I believe.
Yep.
You can kind of meander your way through the park if you want. It's a number of trails. But I think the highlight would be the caves here. And they've got bats.
Yep. And
we're here in June, late June, and evidently the bats have just had babies. And so be aware, you may have to wear a mask. In fact, you do have to wear a mask for those 15 minutes or so that you're around the bats, because they catch the same disease as humans have, and it's really to protect their population. Kelly's back there, she's making it. She said she's the caboose on the train is what she refers to herself as. So.
Yep. I know my position here.
It is a steep hike though.
Yeah.
300 feet in elevation and about 3/4 of a mile. So just be ready for that. There are places to sit though.
Yeah, we just have to take a break.
Yeah. All right, got to switch back. It's a good one, isn't it?
Yeah.
Once you get here, it really starts going up in elevation. I said, you got it. Now you got these nice steps. Alright, you got it. Y'all made it. Yeah. We did, but we took a lot of pictures too, so. I mean, Mama took a few rest breaks too.
Yeah.
I know.
Okay, one of the things is that Lewis actually traveled along the Jefferson River there. Clark went around where that cell tower is today. Okay, one of the reasons we know that they didn't find this cave is because They took such detailed notes. Every tree, every bush, every direction they went. Okay? In fact, that's why we know Clark was up over by that cell tower, is because in his journals he wrote about a view. That view can only be seen from that particular hillside right there.
It's for the bats.
Yeah.
Little wet right here. Hey, sometimes it pays to be short.
I can't breathe.
Well, that was an adventure, wasn't it?
I feel like we're cave explorers.
I know. I got that one on film. Sometimes it does.
It is not included in that natural wind system. Okay? So we've got two.
Alright, so we just got done with our tour in Lewis and Clark Caverns, and that was really awesome. That's probably
the best cave.
probably the best cave tour, my favorite
Yeah.
I've ever been on.
Yep.
You know, we've done quite a few over the years,
Yep. Mm-hmm.
way before we started a YouTube channel, but
Yeah.
that was really
You
nice.
really felt like you were almost exploring the cave because you had to go through so many tight spaces and work your way down. We even got to slide down the rock.
Yeah, that was a little bit. Yeah, that was a little different than most tours because you don't get to slide down the rocks.
You usually
And,
just walking past and stairs and platforms and things like that.
yeah, a couple warnings. You know, you do have to bend. You have to
Yeah.
stoop a lot. The steps are pretty intense
Yep.
at times.
Mhm.
They're very small.
Yep.
They were all carved in by the CCC and another organization that came in the 50s. They poured a lot of concrete in there.
Yep.
But I guess watch your head. I mean, just lots of spots for you to hit your head on.
It pays to be short sometimes.
Yes.
So,
I
we
complain
didn't-
about being short, but today was not a
Yes.
day to complain about it.
but if you're tall, there's a lot of spots that you have to duck and be careful of. But that's probably one of the best cave tours we've been on.
Yeah, it's like
Yeah.
$15 per
Yep.
person
For a 2-hour tour.
for a 2-hour tour. Yeah,
Yeah.
that was great. And our tour guide, oh yeah, Maddie said $10 for kids back here. Our tour guide, Lily,
Yep.
she was,
4th generation cave
Yeah.
tour guide.
yeah, and her grandfather was a sheriff of
Um,
he was a sheriff deputy over in Butte,
Yep.
and actually caught some people stealing some artifacts one time.
We got to arrest them and put them in jail and fine them.
That was neat though to have 4th generation knowledge of
Right.
the cave.
Mm-hmm.
You know,
She's a teacher as well. She's an English teacher, so
Yeah.
that's kind of cool. So she had great stories and did a great job giving us a fun tour.
yeah. And Lewis and Clark, I guess, never actually went in the caves after we learned what we learned. Natives were afraid of the caves because of the cool temperatures. It's like 48, 49 degrees in there. They wouldn't go in because they would see smoke coming out from it because of the temperature difference. And
They
so
thought the mountain was on fire.
Yeah.
Which is how-
yeah, the cave was on fire, mountain was on
Yeah.
fire, something like that.
'cause
And
it'd be like -11 out here and 48 in there.
yep.
So,
And Yellowstone took over. I guess it was given to the park, and they didn't want to maintain it, so they called Montana. And then this private guy ended up, he had bought the mineral rights and was running tours in there for what would be $25 today. No steps,
no, yeah.
you know. No, I take that back. He had a 2,000 staircase, what was it?
Spiral
2,000
staircase, yeah.
step spiral staircase. That's kind of crazy.
Yeah.
So, well, that was a great tour.
Yep.
Beautiful location. Great state park. You
Even
know,
though it's 48 degrees in there, I still managed to sweat the entire time.
yeah, but you're moving a lot.
Yes, you're moving and climbing, doing a lot of stuff, so.
There are a couple different tours. We did the classic, which is 2 hours long.
Mhm.
There's a paradise tour that's about an hour and a half,
Mhm.
because they give you 30 minutes to get up to the location where you come into the cave. So, yeah, this is a great visit. We highly recommend it if you're in the area. So we're not too far from Bozeman.
Hour from Bozeman.
Yeah, not too far from Butte.
Yep.
And we're going to continue our day on, but and try to find some more fun stuff to do.
Yep.
But this was excellent tour. So hopefully you guys learned something. Hopefully this helps you out. Make sure you hit that subscribe button if you've not done so. And we'll see you guys next time out on the Mewve.
There's too much reading. No
I
one's gonna
know.
read that.
So this is the sticker, the great sticker debate, right?
Yeah.
We got to get the right sticker to put on the cooler.
Daddy wants the basic.
No.
I like that one.
No. It's too basic.
It's very basic.
All right, I was told I was basic.
Mommy likes the ones that's got the caverns on it.
So we're gonna get this one.
I think we are.
Okay.
We want a picture to remember us.
Yeah, exactly. Like we
But
don't
I
want
do like
nothing.
this.
I like that one too.
Yeah, I think we should get this one.
And then this one's fun.
That one's all right too.
But
like
it's
that
$5,
one.
so
I
we're
know.
not getting it.
I really like it though.
It's
We'll
about
find
$5.
another good Montana one.
Y'all just rocking on the front porch?
That song, Grandpa, tell me about the good old days.
And then this is the view out here.